Hello everyone, today I'm just going to do a very quick video revisiting this ribeye steak from the Dollar Tree, couple other things in my air fryer. The other couple things I got is a chicken fillet wrapped with bacon and also a beef fillet wrapped with bacon, also from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm having it the air fryer preheated for 3 minutes. Here are the steaks. You can put two of them side by side inside the air fryer. It will fit exactly in it. 4.4 quarts. And here are the chopped fillets. The beef look like a beef. The chicken look some kind of mystery patty. I'm sure they're gonna be so great. If or else, why would they be in the Dollar Tree? Alright, as you can see, the two steaks fit in very well. So I start cooking about 15 minutes, and in 10 minutes I'm going to start flip the steak into the other side to make sure it's cooked evenly. Here is about 7 minutes, so I cooked for about 8, and here I just flipped the steak over and then I'm putting it back on. Okay, make sure the temperature is the highest at 392, and here is cooked for another 5 minutes. Let's take a look at the back, see how well it's cooked. I like my steak medium rare, even from Dollar Tree. Looks pretty well cooked, so I'm gonna start eating it. Okay, again the other piece looks pretty good. So instead of total of 15 minutes, I only cooked for 8 minutes, and now it's Patty's turn. Okay, 2 patties, definitely you can do that, and I turn the machine back to 15 minutes. That's what it recommends for the meat from earlier video. Okay, 5 minutes into it. Okay, it's starting to get cooked. I can see the grease coming out of the bacon, so I'm just gonna flip the chicken patty around and also the beef patty. Again, the beef patty I can tell is beef. The chicken is just a white blob. Okay, 10 minutes. Okay, now I just hear the ding, and that means the food is ready. Let's take a look. Okay, it's getting, the food is hardened, so that means it's cooked. And the beef patty. Okay, and as you know, I put some aluminum foil in the bottom, so it catches all the grease, make this device easier to clean. Here, just quickly showing you how the $1 ribeye steak came out. Pretty good. As you can see, it came out has a single piece, and I cut in the middle. So instead of watery, like what I have done before, it actually look like a piece of meat.